In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can use AI technology to create and launch a lucrative business selling storybooks for children. By following my step-by-step process, starting from generating a book idea to developing high-quality illustrations, you can create a passive income stream like the one seen on Amazon, where simple storybooks have earned over thousands of dollars. This method utilizes Amazon KDP, which allows you to publish your book for free. After researching potential passive income ideas, I came across storybooks for kids on Amazon and was amazed by the profit sellers were making. For example, one book with 8,262 ratings at a price of $10.19 earned over $84,000 in revenue. Similarly, see the second book, How to Catch Unicorn. This book got 33K ratings at price $5.45, which approximately earned $179,850. I then had the idea to create a similar book using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool, to generate story ideas. The first generated title was as follows: well, I took this one for my story, The Curious Case of the Missing Treasure, but I sought a more exciting option, and eventually settled on The Adventure of John and Jimmy, The Curious Case of the Missing Treasure. Well, if you're interested in creating a successful passive income stream through publishing children's books, this video will provide valuable information not found elsewhere. So, be sure to watch until the end. Well, we have selected The Adventures of John and Jimmy, The Search for the Lost Treasure. Okay, that sounds like a very exciting story. We can start with then. I asked the chatbot to give me more details about the story, and it came out with a brief story. Also, I asked the chatbot about the age group of this storybook is for, then it comes with answers of 8 to 12 years old. So, I decided to move on with this one. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scenes in detail. Chapter 1. The Treasure Hunt Begins. Chapter 2. Into the Forest. Chapter 3. Across the River, and so on. Once the story outline was generated, we proceeded to create the story content for each chapter. This involved copying the first chapter, The Treasure Hunt Begins, and using a rhythm story prompt to generate the content. We then reviewed the results and made any necessary adjustments until we were satisfied with the outcome. It's crucial to inject our own creativity and ideas into the story to give it a unique flavor. After repeating this process for all chapters, we were pleasantly surprised at how quickly we had a fully formed story ready to be converted into a book. It's amazing to think that we were able to create a story idea and its corresponding content in such a short amount of time, with the potential to generate passive income. However, it's important to note that even though the story was generated using technology, it's our personal touch and creativity that will set it apart from other stories. Although we've made progress, the next step is mind-blowing. We all know that a good story idea is not enough without illustrations. Hiring artists to create these illustrations can cost thousands of dollars, but what if I told you that all the images you see on the screen were generated using an AI art generator for free? You may have heard of AI art and how you can generate original images by typing some words. I used this approach to finish the illustrations for my first chapter. There are many options available for AI art generators, but I found that Midjourney provides the best experience. You can try it for free by joining their Discord server and browsing the recently generated images by millions of users. To generate your own image, start by typing a prompt. Type / and then imagine, and begin describing the image you want to generate based on the story chapters you've already created. Once the image is generated, you'll see 2 rows of buttons. The top row contains buttons for upscaling your chosen image, and the bottom row creates 4 new variations of the image in a similar style. U2, U3 and U4. These buttons are for upscaling your chosen image, which means generating a larger version of it in the bottom row. V1, V2, V3 and V4. These buttons create 4 new variations similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. To save the image, right-click and open the link, then save the image to your device. To maintain a consistent style, copy the link and paste it before starting a new prompt for the next image. I won't repeat the process for all the chapters, but the basic idea is to generate the images based on your story topic section by section. After about 30 minutes, I had all the illustrations I needed. It's important to remember that while AI technology generates the images, it's our personal touch and creativity that make them unique. After generating the images using Midjourney, let me guide you on how to integrate them with the story text created by ChatGPT to make a high-quality storybook. Begin by visiting canva.com and search for storybook. Select Create a blank storybook and upload the AI-generated images to Canva. From there, you can easily drag and drop the first image into the template. Now, go to ChatGPT and copy the initial part of the story. Canva is a great tool for creating storybooks even if you don't have any design skills. It's also free to use and beginner-friendly. Once you're finished with your book, you can save time by duplicating the template and adding new images and text while maintaining the same style. This process can be repeated for each chapter of your book. When you're finished, save the book as a PDF and print it. Congratulations, you've successfully created your very first storybook. The final step is to publish your book on Amazon to start generating passive income. For that, search for the Amazon KDP login. If you don't have login ID, then register yourself and publish your book absolutely free. You can go through the detailed documentation and tutorial video here if you are a newbie to here. So, guys, finally we conclude how AI technology can help to create passive income for you. Do like and share this video, and hit on the subs button to get the latest update. Tech Blog is sign out for now, see you again. Thank you.